Across the United States and around the world, recent policy shifts mix short-term relief with longer-term risks as economies recalibrate. Bipartisan bills aim to strengthen supply chains and fiscal safeguards, while critics warn that reforms may come too slowly. Crypto regulation tightens in several nations, spurring investor caution but paving clearer rules that could attract legitimate innovation. Natural disasters test resilience, with better funding speeding recovery in some places, while climate shocks strain public services elsewhere. Overall, lives improve for some through jobs and access to credit, while others face higher costs and persistent uncertainty.